Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Praveen and I have been training Ielts students for the past 4 years. Today I am going to talk to you about idioms or idiomatic expressions. Most of the time students ask me, what if we don't remember an idiom, or will our band score be less if we cannot use an idiom properly? Or I know a lot of idioms, ma'am, but I'm not able to use them correctly. And these kind of things. I always hear these kind of doubts in the speaking evaluation sessions. So today I'm going to talk to you about some idioms and how to use them. Idioms, let me tell you, they are not mandatory. However, if you use them, it would add some fun dimension to the spoken language. Let me also warn you, never use it in your writing tasks. Okay? In your IELTS speaking test, you can use idioms. What are idioms first of all? Idioms are a set of jumbled words, or you can say these words have a certain pattern and they make sense only when used in that context. Or in other words, they have hidden meanings. They are not to be taken in their literal sense. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. You cannot literally say that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It means, the idiomatic expression means that it's raining heavily. So, today I'm going to talk about some idioms which are rarely used. The common ones we already know: over the moon, on cloud nine, it's not my cup of tea, and so on. When you use idioms appropriately, it shows your grasp of the language and it would impress your examiner, and at the end of the day, you want to impress your examiner and take home a good band, isn't it? Can you read this? Juno swans. Okay, what does Juno swans mean? Juno was Jupiter's wife and she kept a pair of swans, and these swans were always together. So, when you want to talk about your best buddy or a person whom you're always together with, or very close to, you can say we are like Juno swans, which means we're always together, we are inseparable. Alright? That is how you say it. Another idiom for the same expression would be like two peas in a pod. Like two peas in a pod also means we are always together, or we are a lot alike. We have a lot of similarities. You can say that about your siblings or your best friend or your cousin or any person you're very, very close to. Donkey's ears. Really? Donkey's ears? What does this idiom mean? This idiom means a very, very long period of time. Okay? You can be talking about the time period literally in a literal sense, or you can be exaggerating. Oh, I've been waiting for this for donkey's years. Or you can say, we have been best buddies for donkey's years. Okay? Donkey's years shows a very huge or a very long span of time. So next time you want to say something, you have been waiting for something, or it's been happening for a long time, you can say donkey's ears. Bite the bullet. What does bite the bullet mean? Do you really have to bite something? No. Bite the bullet is an idiomatic expression to show that you are being forced to do something against your will or against your wish. Okay? Apparently, this idiomatic expression has originated from the pre-independence times, during probably the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny times, when the soldiers were literally asked to bite off the cartridge from their guns. So they had to do it because there was no other way to fire the gun. So apparently that is how this term has come about. Now it is used in this context when you're forced to do things against your wish, or you're not willing to do it but you have to. That is when you use this phrase, bite the bullet. Like a dog with two tails. Like a dog with two tails? Is it something like, is it an abnormal dog? Does it have a genetic abnormality? No, it simply means that a person is very excited, very happy. As you know, the dog always uses its tail to express happiness. It wags its tail when it's happy or excited, or when it's sad, the tail is down between the legs. So, a dog with two tails would use it probably with double defect. Maybe that is how this term has come about. It just means that a person is excited or extremely happy. Okay, so you can say, when India won the Cricket World Cup, I felt like a dog with two tails, meaning I felt very excited for India. Okay, so that is how you use it in your conversation. At sixes and sevens, what does this mean? At sixes and sevens. At sixes and sevens is an idiomatic expression to express to the person how confused you are. Okay, you're all very confused. Maybe you have two good options, two equally bad options, or two equally good options, or you're trying to weigh the pros and cons of two options and you're not able to come to a decision. So you're very confused, you're utterly confused about something. You say, I'm at sixes and sevens. Okay, so that is an idiomatic expression to show how confused you are. You're not able to make up your mind. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope to see you again in another video with more idiomatic expressions as well as tips on IELTS, the various IELTS modules. Thank you. Have a good day.